Alright, good morning! O diba? Taas ang energy, kala mo hindi ka lang shift. Pero good morning, this is your boy Tito Pabs. Nagbabalik. Yeah, I know. Ilang linggo, ilang araw tayong walang upload. Pero dahil yan medyo naging busy tayo sa buhay. Actually, kakagaling ko ng work. I decided to take a quick ride. Gusto kong puntahan yung Rolling Hills. Rolling Hills sa Planas Ramon. So doon tayo pupunta ngayon. Hindi ako magkakape this time kasi gusto ko makatulog after the ride. May baon tayong tsaa. Oo, tsaa muna tayo ngayon. Hello po sa mga mahilig sa TEA. Ito po ang barangay ng Rizal, Santiago City, kung saan laging traffic. Oo, nakakamuriot dumaan dyan. Nakakamuriot, parang yung ex mo lang ganun. Excuse me po. Gusto kong i-condition yung sarili ko na mag-rides dahil binabalak kong mag-ride papuntang Bulacan. Meron akong dadalawing VIP, very important person. Ipapakilala ko siya sa vlog. Tagal kong hindi nagmotor, actually ilang araw, halos isang linggo yata ako hindi tumakbo ng more than 5 kilometers away sa bahay. But look at that view! Diba ang ganda? So again, sabi ko nga kanina paglabas ko ng bahay, wait lang po, paraan po, thank you. Ayan, sabi ko pagkatapos ko ng shift kanina, actually 2 hours before the shift ended, sabi ko parang kailangan ko ng kailangan ko mag-detoxify. Okay, kasalukuyan tayo naliligaw. Actually napuntahan ko na to pero hindi ko kasi matandaan kung saan yung saan. Right? At ang baho nitong sinusundan, ewan ko kung isda ba to, chicken dang inaamoy ko. Ang baho! Pusang gala. Sumpa. Ang baho, gag. Pusa. Napuntahan ko ng itong lugar na itong banda dito, hindi ko lang matandaan kung saan kami pumunta. Okay, Barangay San Miguel. At may butas. Aray ko. May konting off-road. May konting off-road. So medyo hindi pala ideal dumaan dito ngayon. Oo, napa-timing ako. At feeling ko yung Rolling Hills ngayon is taglagas. Parang brown yung nakikita ko. Yeah, I hope the effort to ride papunta rito is worth it, no? Okay, sabi ni Google Maps 300 meters turn right. Nakakakita ko ng pag-asa. Parang may nakikita akong part ng mga burol na medyo green. So asan yung 300 meters? Pusang gala, turn right. Ayun. Okay. Kalma Pablo, kalma. Parang walang lilong dun ah. Ayun oh. I hope kita sa video yung nakikita kong daan. Hindi ko alam kung accessible kaya yan sa public this time. Kasi may nabalitaan ako, fish pond. Binabalitaan ako na parang closed to recently. Hindi ko alam. Hindi nag-research si Pablo. Ayan, sorry na. Excited mag-ride nga eh. Nature trip. So where are we now? Planas? Barangay Planas na ba to? Bumagal, mas dalas ang aksidente dito. Okay. Mabagal lang tayo. Yeah, mabagal lang tayo dahil, well, it's my first time being here. So yan yung rolling hills na yung mga pictures na nakikita ko dito is mga green. Pero ngayon since panahon yun yata panahon ng kumbaga taglagas. Kaya ganyan. Brown siya. Okay, naliligaw pa rin ako. Feeling ko naliligaw pa rin ako. Pero ito na yung area ng rolling hills. Pero sabi dun sa may signage na close pa rin. So I'm not sure. Actually mali ata dinaanan ko. Dapat ata doon sa kabila. Pero kung close pa rin to, hahanap na lang ako ng area kung saan pwedeng tumabi. Oh, may mga dumadaan naman. Yeah. So epic fail. Feeling ko dapat doon dadaan sa kabila. Yeah. So mag-U-turn. Dahil fish pond. Okay. So ito, hindi pala pwede pumasok talaga. So that means kaya nagbaka sakali lang. Kala ko ba open na? Kala ko ba open na? Nagbaka sakali lang. Ay, open po ba? Ay, magkan may bayad po pasok? 20. Sige, wait lang po Opo, solo ride. Solo po lagi Kuya, may panukli na kayo? Wala pa. Kuya, iwan ko muna to. Balikan ko na lang. Opo. Dito rin naman ang exit po, di ba? Alright, so open naman pala yung rolling hills. So, okay. So siguro ang ganda ng view rito pagka yung nakikita mong damo is green. Yan Di ba? Wow! Yeah, may konting lula effect Magandang jogging area to At saka yung mga malalakas magbike. You can imagine them enjoying dito. Dahil napakatarik pag medyo nawalan ka ng disiplina sa silinyador, you could easily lose it here. So ito yung rolling hills nila. Alright, so it ends right here. Baba tayo, hahanap tayo ng spot na pwede tayong lumilong. May nakita ko ron kanina habang hindi pa ganun kataas yung araw dahil ang problema ng lugar na to is kulang sa areas na pwede kang lumilong, right? Actually nakikita ko yung ganda niya, especially if panahon na green yung mga damo. Pero if you're to consider that kind of view na nakikita mo yung cityscape, well, not really cityscape, yung view na yan, diba? Kasi ang taas nung taas nung area. So the best time na puntahan to, dalawin, is going to be either before sunset and at sunset and before sunrise. Doon ko nakikita yung ganda nung yung magiging ganda nitong lugar. Babalikan natin yun kung sakaling wala akong makitang pwedeng paglilungan at pagparkan dito.
Yan. Alright, okay ba? So, aray ko. Hirap i-press ng puwet ko eh. Oh, kung ako ba to? So this is the therapy na tinatawag. Ay, yeah, I still tend to overthink madalas. Pero, yung mga ganitong pagkakataon, it gives, I would say, temporary comfort. Pero temporary in a way na mahanap ako ng term na Tagalog dun sa reinvigorate or parang refresh, yung system ko. I always try to remind myself na ang dami kasi mga bagay na madalas nalilimutan natin that we have or we must be thankful for. Nalilimutan natin because of, yun nga, we overthink a lot. We tend to stress too much about the things that are not happening. Kaya madalas nalilimutan natin mag-enjoy. Madalas nalilimutan natin maging grateful dun sa mga bagay na meron tayo because we are too preoccupied looking at the things that we do not have. Right? Kaya nga kahit na hindi ako religious, naniniwala ako dun sa sinasabi nilang you need to always be counting your blessings. Kasi pag nakafocus ka rin sa mga bagay na hindi, nawala ka, you would really end up being stressed, being depressed. I guess it's a matter of perspective. So you need to condition your mind na wag lang tumutok dun sa mga bagay na nakaka-depress. How would you do that? Depende sa'yo. Like in my case, ito, newfound way of maybe distracting myself. And so far, I'm really enjoying it, and it has been effective. So kung ikaw yung klase ng tao like me, nag-overthink madalas, I suggest try something, right? Try anything. Revisit the things that you've been doing in the past that you're no longer doing right now. Sa akin, eto, pagmumotor. And ngayon, eto nga, pag nagmotor, punta ka sa isang lugar na tahimik, and maybe, magkape ka, painit ka ng tubig, bili ka ng camping stove, and then, at least meron kang pagpapainit ng tubig to maybe prep up a cup of coffee or tea, in this example. I'm not the perfect person to be an advocate of good or of a good mental health. Hindi naman ako expert, right? I just want to share the things that I do now that helps me. Now, it is not a perfect formula. It's not like hindi siya parang math equation na merong set formula, set rules that you would have to follow, and then viola. May solution agad. No, it does not work that way. This does not solve the issues or the problems that I'm facing, but it certainly helps for me to again, yun nga, refresh. Kailangan mo ng kailangan mo ng clear head. You need to gather all of the positivity that that you're able to gather to push you forward. Not saying na hindi mo kailangan ng negative thoughts, but of course, in reality, we need to strike the perfect balance between the positive and the negative thoughts in our head. ako, believer ako ng the positive thoughts teach us how to get to our goal. No? The yung positive thoughts dun nanggagaling yung dreams, aspirations, yung goals natin, and of course the attitude to be prepared na makamit mo yung goal, 'di ba? So by the time the opportunity comes, you have to have that positive energy in order for you to be ready na tanggapin kung ano yung opportunity na yun, and then for you to be able to grab it. While the negative thoughts, again, para sa akin, sa opinion ko, negative thoughts teach us to be realistic realistic about the goals that we set. Siyempre, kailangan, hindi po pwedeng sasabihin mo, bukas, bilyonaryo na ako. Of course, it does not work that way unless, of course, we're talking about doing things that are illegal, di ba? Uso ngayon yan. And of course, I will not be diving into it because it will be political. And I hate politics, by the way. So, yun. And on top of that, I actually enjoy talking. Yeah, pwede mo ang i-off yung you can lay your phone down and not watch this face talk, and maybe listen to me blab about random stuff. Para ka na nakikinig ng podcast. Because I have a good voice, di ba? Taking modesty aside. Yeah, I sound good. Hindi ako pleasant tignan, but I am definitely sweet to the ears. Sabi nila. But yeah, I mean, if you haven't already yet, please do subscribe. It helps a lot. Like the video, mag-comment ka dyan, kwento mo yung mga experience. Again, yung sinasabi ko, invitation ko lagi. Share your experience regarding rides, regarding mental health. You can ask me questions. I'll try to be as transparent as possible. And share the video. Diba? Kung sa tingin mo meron kang friend, relative na may enjoy yung ganitong klaseng content, relaxing content, that's what I'm trying to aim for. Go share the video. Again, it would help a lot. And if you're still watching up until this point, thank you. Napaka-pogi at ganda mo. So, ganun lang. I guess that's all the time that we have for today. Kailangan ko nang wait. Oh, by the way, hindi tayo ganun kalayo, no? It's about 20 kilometers away from home lang naman. Thank you po. Sakit cepat. Sakit cepat. Again, I'm inviting everyone, if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, maybe liking the video and sharing it with your friends. And yeah, iwan kayo ng comment dyan. May mga suggestion kayo if you have questions, anything that would improve my presentation or the channel. You're more than welcome, basta constructive. And let's advocate yung positive vibes.
nonetheless, yeah, thank you for watching. This has been your one and only nag-iisang Tito Pabs saying stay down, stay brown. Have a great day, everyone. Bye for now. Uy, wait lang. Andito yung pinsan ko eh. So, pasyal tayo sa office. It's been a while since nakadalaw tayo sa office. So, eto, balik tayo. Diba ang pogi natin sa salamin? Oh, diba?